Hello everyone, Ismail is here. Today we're going to learn about 15.1 interior and exterior angles. But the special things here in module 15, interior and exterior angles that we're talking about is the interior and exterior angle in the uh, triangles, not only the parallel lines. Okay? Don't forget that you can find all the lesson on my website at faramath.com. Okay? And if you need anything, please contact me and ask. Okay, now let's start the lesson about interior and exterior angles. Okay? Let's take a look on this one. Here, this one is proving that when we have a line or a triangles, okay, that both of them should equal 180. So as you can see here, we have the triangle, and the triangle has an interior angle. So this one is interior angle 1, this is interior angle 2, this is interior angle 3. So the total, so let's say this is A and this one is B, this one is C. So the total of the three angles is equal what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal 180. So the total angle, the summation of the interior angles of any triangle is equal always 180. Okay, try to do this one in home. Just take a piece of paper, okay, and cut it as a triangle. Then cut this paper from this side and from this side, as you can see here. Okay, then cut also for the B and put them straight like this. So it will be here A, you will see here, sorry, here it will be C, okay, and here should be B. So as you can see, from C to B to A is 180, which also represent that the straight line angle is equal 180. And this is how we can prove all the interior angle for a triangle is equal 180. Now, let's have a look on the theorem of the sum of the convex polygon. Now, if you look here to this question, we have a theorem. The theorem said, number one, the summation of angles of a triangle is equal 180. This is what we just proved. So, A plus angle B plus angle C, which is equal 180. Okay? How we can write a rule that represent all the triangles should equal 180. How we can write it? So using number 2 here. So look to the number 2. So number 2 is saying the summation of the angles of a convex polygon with n sides is n minus 2 times 180. So as you can see here, n is the number of sides. So to find the summation of all interior angle, so as you can see here, A plus B plus C, which is equal to 180. So now we can use just the rule, which is n minus 2 times 180. So we can say, how many sides do we have here? I have 1, 2, 3 sides. So 3 minus 2 times 180, okay, which is equal 1 times 180. So the answer is 180. So this is how we can find it. Okay, how about the second shape here? The second shape, the quadrilateral. So the quadrilateral, as you can see, so let's say we have A, we have B, I have C, and I have D. So I have four angles. So now if I ask you what is A plus B plus C plus D, okay? So uh, we can write A plus B plus C plus D is equal what? So how can I know this one? So I can use the formula. So as you can see, let me apply the formula. 4 minus 2 times 180. So 4 minus 2 is equal 2 times 180, which is equal 360. So as you can see here, that the final answer for this one here is equal 360. Okay, clear? Also, if you want to know how we can improve the number, okay, which is this two here after we minus it from 4, this 2 here represent the number, okay, the number of triangle, okay, the number of a triangle. So if I have a triangle, so the after I minus the side from 2, this show me the number of a triangle. How can I know the number of a triangle? So as you can see here, let me draw it for you. So let's say pick any of the side or the corner. So let's say I have this side. So I have this one here. Now check this out. So I have here now two triangles. This is the first triangle, okay? And this is the first triangle, see? Then also we have this triangle here. This is the second triangle. So as you can see here, I have two different triangle. So these two different triangle represent the number that I will get after I minus the number of sides. Okay. Now let's go to this shape. So what we call this shape here? This shape here is pentagon. Yes, right. So this one here is pentagon because it has five sides. One, two, three, four, five. So we have angle A, we have angle B, we have angle C, we have angle D, we have angle, let's say, E. So now to find the total, we can just say that A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay, so I need to know what is the answer of this, what is the answer, the summation of all of these angles. How can I know them? Using the rule. So I can say now the n is equal 5 minus 2 times 180. Okay, so that's mean I'm talking about 3 times 180. So 3 times 180 equal 540. Okay, so now the total of all the side is equal 540. Now if I ask you how many triangle do I have, so as I told you, just pick any side, any random side. So let me pick this one here. So connect between this side to this side from the same point. Connect between this side and this side. So now if you check this one, okay, it's showing you that we have here three triangles. So the first triangle is this one here. So this one is my first triangle. Then also, this is my second triangle. So as you can see, this one here is my second triangle, right? Then also I have this one here. This one is should be my third triangle. So as you can see here, I have three triangles, which is represented by the number here that I found after I minus from the number of sides. Okay. Now, how about this shape here? So count the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. So we call this one what? So we call this one hexagon, right? So hexagon, how many sides we have? 6. So as you can see here for the 6 sides, so let's say this is A, okay, B, C, D, E, and F. So now to find the measurement of the summation of all sides, we just add them A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. I should get the answer. So how can I find the answer? I can just apply the rule. So I have 6 minus 2 multiplied with 180. So 6 minus 2, which is equal 4. So 4 times 180, which is equal 720. So now the total of all of the sides is equal 720. Now, how can I know the number of triangles? So for sure, the number of triangles should be what? Should equal 4. So now let's cut it and see. So just pick any random point. So let's pick here, this one here. Okay, so from this one to this one, and from this one to this one, and from this one to this one here. So as you can see here now, I have how many triangle? So let's uh, color them. So I have, this is the first triangle that I have, okay? And I have, this is the second triangle, okay? Then, and I have also here is the third triangle, okay? Represented by this side here. Then the last one is, okay, you take me the green one. So this one here. So as you can see, I have four different triangles. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. But let's find the answer for the last two polygon. So as you can see here, this one, what we call this one. So I just made a table that summarize all the shapes. If we go up here, look to this one. So as you can see here, this is the number of sides. So if we have three sides, is a triangle. Four sides, quadrilateral. Five, pentagon. Six, hexagon. Seven, heptagon. Eight, octagon. Nine, nonagon. 10, decagon. 12, dodecagon. Okay, then and any other number is you just add 11 sides and gone. Okay, so when we have seven side here, so as you can see here, I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So seven side. So this one is heptagon. Okay, so the heptagon is 7 minus 2 multiplied with 180. Okay, so we get the answer, which is equal 5 here, 5 times 180, which is equal, sorry, equal 900. Okay, and how many triangle I have here? Five triangles. Same thing for the last one. Okay, you understand now, Dan. Now let's go and take some examples about what we learned now. Here, let's determine the unknown angle measures. So as you can see here, we have this measurement. So how many sides do we have for this? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So I have nine. So n is equal 9. So now I need to find the summation of all measurement, okay? So as you can see here, n plus, oh, sorry, not plus, minus, okay? N minus 2 times 180. So 9 minus 2, which is equal times 180, okay? So 7 times 180, which is equal 1,260. Now, how do I know the sum? So now I have to add all of these numbers, okay? 125 plus 130 plus 172 plus 200 plus 140 plus 102 plus 98 plus 135 plus x equal what? Equal 1,260. Okay, so now just add all of these numbers. So if we add all of these numbers, we will get 1,102. So all of these is equal 1,102 plus x equal 1,206. So now what should I do? Just minus 1,102 from both sides. So you will get x. So x here is equal 1,260 minus 1,158. So this one is my angle, the missing one here, 158. I hope you understand this. So now let's apply the same rule for the second question. So let's go down. Okay. Now, same thing here. As you can see, how many sides? One, two, three, four, five, six. So six sides. So n minus 2 times 180. So 6 minus 2 times 180. So 4 times 180, which is equal 720. Now I know that the summation of the total, the summation of all interior angle is 720. So let's add all of them together. So 120, 120 plus 140 plus 100 plus 98 plus 155 plus x plus 10. So it's equal 720. So now what should I do? I have to add all of these numbers together to get the answer. So all of these, if you add them, you will get 623. So this one here with the 10 here, so all of this is equal 623 plus x equals 720. So we minus now 623 from both sides, 623 from both sides. So x is equal, so just minus them, 720 minus 623 is equal 97 degree. Okay. If I made some mistakes in the calculation, it's fine. You just correct to me in the comments below. Now let's take also, this is the last example about this one. So if you check one, if you check this one, determine the unknown interior angle measure. Okay, so we need to find anterior measure of convex octagon. Octagons is means 8 sides, in which the measure of 7 of the other angle has summation. So as you can see here, he gave me, because we have 8, okay, so he gave me the measurement of the 7. So we need to find the last one. So as you can see here, it should be n minus 2 times 180. So 8 minus 2 times 180. So 6 times 180, which is equal 1080. So the summation interior angle for an octagon is 8, right? And the summation of 7 angle is 940. So what should I do? So I just can minus them. So 1000. So to find the last, or to find the x, is 1080 minus 940 is equal, so just minus these two together, you will get 140. So this one is x. Okay, I hope you understand this course. Now, let's go to the second part of the lesson. Here we have more examples. It's your turn. Try to solve these examples by yourself. And if you have any question, please ask me. Now, let's go to the second part. So as you can see, the second part, as we have an interior angle, for sure we should have an exterior angle. So what's the exterior angle? Exterior angle is an angle formed by one side of polygon and extension of an adjacent side. Exterior angle form linear pair with the interior angle. So as you can see here, we have this triangle, okay? And this triangle has a 3 sides. So let's say this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay? Now, using the same, if you complete drawing your line from this side, or if you complete drawing to the other side, or if you complete drawing this one here, or if you complete drawing like this one, or this one here, or this one here. So as you can see here, we have many of the exterior angle, means this one is exterior angle. This one here is exterior angle. This one here is exterior. This one here is exterior. This one here is exterior. And this one here also is exterior. How do we know the exterior angle from the interior angle? Sorry, how we can know the exterior angle from not exterior angle? By adding them to 180. So interior angle plus the exterior angle, both of them should equal 180. Interior angle plus interior angle, both of them should equal 180. Same thing here. Okay, interior angle plus exterior 180. Interior plus exterior should always 180. Same thing here, here and here also 180. If if it's not 180 like this one here is a vertical, so this one is not exterior. So as you can see, these are not exterior. These, because they are vertical, they are not exterior. Okay, so now these are the exterior angles. So the exterior angle always is the adjacent to the interior angle that are linear pair that form 180 degree. So as you can see, so let's say this is one now A, this is B, and this one C. And the outside angle, the exterior angle here, let's say it's D. Now, as we know, because we know that the exterior angle is D, and D with C together, and D plus C, both of them are supplementary or linear pair, so both of them are equal 180. So if you know D, you can know C. So if you know C, you can also know D. Now, the second thing that you have to learn is the remote interior angle. So as you can see, just pretend that you're sitting on your sofa, like this exterior angle. So this exterior angle is sitting on the sofa and is just switching between the channels. So as you can see, exterior angle always has 2 channels, okay? That's equal to it. Means D is equal to the angle B, is equal to the angle B added with angle A. Okay, always opposite. So as you can see here, remote interior angle is an interior angle that is not adjacent. So as you can see, B and A are not adjacent to the exterior angle. Means uh, the exterior D is equal to know the angle D. It's the summation from A to B. So AB is equal D. Now, look to this example. So let's say this is 4. So how can I know angle 4? So angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Okay? So now the remote angle always it can be found by summation of the two interior opposite angle. Okay? So here also some example. Let me do this example for you. So as you can see, so how can I know this angle here, or how can I know this angle here? So as you can see here, I have two angles. So this one 60, this one is 40. So where is the exterior angle that can control these two? So for sure, it will be opposite for both of them. So this one should be the exterior. So to know, so let's say this one is D. So to know D, D is equal 40 plus 60, which is equal 100. So D is equal 100. So after I know this one is 100, so can I know all the interior and interior angle? Yes. So if this 100, so this one should equal 80. Okay. Now, how do I know this one here? So which two angle is controlling remote to this one? It's 80 and 60. So 80 plus 60, okay, which is equal 120. Okay, so 80 plus, sorry, not 100, sorry, 140. Okay, 80 plus 60, 140. Then we have this side here, which two angles that control this one here. So it's 80 and 40. So 80 plus 40, which is equal 120. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now, let's take this example. One more example. So I look to this one here. So how can I solve this? So are the following angles exteriors, or they name respect remote interior angles? Now, angle 4, what is angle 4? This is angle 4. So which two angles represent a remote angle for 4? So it's angle 6 and angle 9. So angle 4 can be found by adding angle 6 with angle 9. How about angle 8? What is angle 8? Angle 8 here. Angle 8 is vertical to angle 6. So there is no remote angle. Okay, no remote interior angle. Okay, or we can say not, okay, exterior angle. Okay, now how about angle 12? So angle 12 is here. So angle 12, which one is remote for 12? Is it 3 and 6. So angle 12 can be found by adding angle 3 plus angle 6. Okay, now let's go to take more examples. Okay, so now let's do this last two examples, then I'll give you exercise. Now let's start with this question. So determine the measure of the specified angle. So as you can see here, we have here this angle here. This is the exterior angle. Which two angle that remote to this one? It's the opposite one here, and it's the opposite one here. Okay, so as you can see here, 140 is equal to 2z plus 5z minus 2, because this angle here is equal to, or is the sum is equal to the summation between this one and this one. Okay, so now let's simplify that. Let's add the like term. So as you can see here, we have 2z and 5z together. So 2z plus 5z is 7z minus 2. And here 145. So now what should I do? I have to minus 2 from both sides, minus 2 from both sides. So 7z is equal 143. Then what should I do? Divide by 7. Divide by 7. So we cancel these out. So z is equal 143 divided by 7, which is equal 21. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, now, so after we found z, replace z in the equation. So 5 times 20, sorry, 5 times 20 minus, okay, minus, sorry, write it again. 5 times 20. Why am making mistake here? 5 times 20 minus 2. So 5 times 20 equal 100, right? Minus 2 uh, equal 198. Okay, so 98. This one here, 2 times 20, which is equal 40. Okay, now, can I know this angle here? Yes, I can know because this one is a supplementary angle. So 180 minus 45 is equal 35. Okay, now let's solve the last question here. So the last question here, as you can see, this angle here is the exterior angle, and this one here is 90. So this one plus this one here, which is the two remote opposite angle, equal to this. So now 3x minus 8 equal 90x plus 2. Now add the like term. So we have 90 and we have 2. So 3x minus 8 equal 92 plus x. Now isolate x and the variables to the other side. So we can minus x. Always take the small x with the big x. So we can cancel this out. So it will be 2x minus 8 equal 92. Now take plus 8 for both sides. So we divide this one by 2. So now it will be 2x equal 100. Okay? Now we divide by 2, we divide by 2. So now we cancel this. So x is equal 50. Now substitute x in the equation. So 3 times 50, okay, minus 8. 3 times 50 is equal 150. 150 minus 8, which is equal 140. 140. So if this one 140, so this one here should equal 40. And this one here 50 plus 2, which is equal 52. I hope you understand this one. If you have any question, please contact me. Here are some questions that you need to practice. So practice on these questions. And also here I have another two questions. Try to practice on them. Have a good day and bye-bye.